CBSE 9, Chapter 6, Lines and Angle. First exercise 6.1. First question. In figure 6.13, lines AB and CD intersect at O. If angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, then find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. So let's start with the solution. So it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree and angle BOD is equal to 40 degree, and we need to find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. Okay, so let's start. From the figure we can say that angle AOC, angle COE and angle BOE are on the straight line. Here it is given that form a linear pair, which is wrong. Here it will come they are forming a straight line, and therefore angle sum of angles on the straight line is always 180 degree. Therefore we can write angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree. Okay, then it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore in this equation we will replace angle AOC plus angle BOE by 70 degree, and then we will get 70 degree plus COE is equal to 180 degree. Then we will transpose 70 on RHS so that we will get angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 degree, which is 110 degree. Therefore we got angle COE is equal to 110 degree. Then to find reflex angle COE, so reflex angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus angle COE. Angle COE is 110 degree. Therefore in the next step we can write 360 degree minus 110 degree, which is 250 degree. Therefore reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree. Okay, now to find BOE, it is given that angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree, and also it is given that angle BOD is 40 degree. Okay, now please look into the diagram. Angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. So given equation is angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. So instead of AOC I can write angle BOD plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Angle AOC and angle BOD are vertically opposite angles. Okay, now BOD is given 40 degree. Therefore we can put this value in this equation to get 40 degree plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Therefore using transposition I can write angle BOE is equal to 70 minus 40 degree is equal to 30 degree. Therefore reflex angle COE is equal to 250 degree and angle BOE is equal to 30 degree, which is the required solution. Question 2. In figure 6.14, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, then find C. So it is given that angle POY is equal to 90 degree and A is to B is 2 is to 3. Okay, so for this ratio we will assume X is the common factor. Therefore we can say that angle A is equal to 2x and angle B is equal to 3x. Okay, now angle POY is 90 degree. Therefore I can say that angle POX is also 90 degree because of linear pair. So angle POX means angle A plus angle B, which is equal to 90 degree. Angle A and B are 2x and 3x respectively. So after putting the values I can write 2x plus 3x is equal to 90 degree, which is 5x is equal to 90 degree. Then using transposition x is equal to 90 upon 5, which is x is equal to 18 degree. So I can put the values of x in A and B to get the respective values. So A will be 2 into x, that is 2 into 18 36 degree, and B is 3 into 18 54 degree. Okay, now please look into diagram. Angle B and angle C forming linear pair, therefore they are supplementary. So I can write B plus C is equal to 180 degree. B is 54 degree. So 54 plus C is 180 degree. Therefore C is 180 minus 54, which is 126 degree. This is required solution. Question 3. In the given figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Then prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So please see the solution. It is given that PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR and PRQ are equal, and we need to prove that PQS is equal to PRT. Okay. Now please see in the diagram, angle PQS and PQR mean this angle and this angle are forming a linear pair, as well as angle PRT and angle PRS are also forming a linear pair. Therefore, these are supplementary angles. So we can write equation 1 and 2 as angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 degree and angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree. Equation 1 and 2. Now RHS part of these equations are same, therefore we can equate their LHS part. So from equation 1 and 2 I can write angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ plus angle PRT. Now it is given that angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. Therefore we can cut equal parts. So what will remain? Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT, which is the required proof. Question number 4. In figure 6.16, if x plus y is equal to w plus z, then prove that AOB is a line. So it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z, and we need to prove that AOB is a line. So let's start with the solution. Now we know that sum of angles on a point is always 360 degree. Then we can write angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to 360 degree, or y plus x plus w plus z is equal to 360 degree. Now it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. So in the above equation we can replace w plus z by x plus y. So we will get x plus y is equal to 360 degree, and therefore we can write 2 in bracket y plus x is equal to 360 degree. Then 2 will transpose on RHS, so that we can get y plus x is equal to 360 degree upon 2, that is y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So y plus x is equal to 180 degree. Please see the diagram. It means these two angles y and x are forming a linear pair, and they are forming a linear pair. It means they are on the straight line. Therefore we can say that AOB is a straight line. So this is the required proof. Question 5. In the given figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Then prove that angle ROS is half of in bracket angle QOS minus angle POS. So let's go to the solution. So it is given that OR is perpendicular to PQ. It means angle POR and angle ROQ are 90 degree. Then from diagram we can say that POR is 90 degree. Therefore angle POR is nothing but angle POS plus angle SOR. Therefore we can write angle POS plus angle SOR is equal to 90 degree. Then using transposition we can write angle ROS is equal to 90 minus POS. This is equation 1. Now check triangle QOR, that is ROQ. It is also 90 degree because QR is perpendicular to PQ. Now we can write QOR. Check the diagram. It is QOS minus ROS. So we can write QR as QOS minus ROS is equal to 90 degree. Using transposition we can write angle ROS is equal to angle QOS minus 90 degree. This is equation 2. So on adding equation 1 and equation 2, we can get on LHS ROS plus ROS is equal to 2 ROS. Then 90 minus POS plus QoS minus 90. In this both equation 90 is plus and 90 is negative, so it will cut, and what will remain? Angle QoS minus angle POS, it will remain. Then we can transpose these two on RHS side, so that we will get angle ROS is equal to half of in bracket angle QoS minus angle POS, which is the required proof. Question 6. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. If ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, then find angle XYQ and reflex angle QYP. So let's go to the solution. Before going to solution, please see the diagram. It is given that angle XYZ is 64 degree. It means angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Then XY produced to point P, and ray YQ bisects angle ZYP. So this is ZYP and YQ bisects angle ZYP, means these two angles are equal angles. Okay, so let's go to the solution. It is given that line YQ bisects angle PYZ in equal parts. Therefore, we can say that angle QYP is equal to angle ZYQ. Then we can say that line PX is a straight line. It means sum of angles on the straight line is 180 degree. Therefore, we can write angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ plus angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. It is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree. Therefore, in this equation, we will replace XYZ by 64 degree. And in this equation, we have proved that angle ZYQ and angle QYP are equal. Therefore, in the next equation, we can write angle 2QYP. Therefore, the equation is 64 degree plus 2 angle QYP is equal to 180 degree. Then using transposition, we can write 2 angle QYP is equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree, which is equal to 116 degree. So 2 QYP is equal to 116 degree. So to find angle QYP, I will transpose 2 on RHS. So I will get 116 degree upon 2. Therefore, in the next step, angle QYP is coming 58 degree. Now check in the diagram. Angle QYP is 58. It means angle ZYQ is also 58 degree. Okay, so it is written that angle ZYQ is also 58 degree. Now QYP is 58 degree, so reflex of QYP will be 360 degree minus 58 degree. Therefore, reflex of QYP is coming 302 degree. Now we want angle XYQ also. So check in the diagram, angle XYQ is nothing but angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ. We know that angle XYQ is 64 degree and we have found that angle ZYQ is equal to 58 degree. Therefore, we will add 64 degree plus 58 degree to get 122 degree. Therefore, we can say that angle XYQ is coming 122 degree. Therefore, final answer is angle XYQ is equal to 120 degree and reflex angle QYP is equal to 302 degree. So this is the required solution, and we are done with the exercise 6.1. Thank you.